Years ago, back in the end of 2010 and beginning of 2011, one of my friends introduced me to the idea of mining Bitcoin on a home PC. At the time my PC was not powerful enough to mine, so I decided to invest in two video cards, brand new HD 6790 and 6770. I attached them to a cheap motherboard, small display and two power supplies. I positioned them in my living room and started mining Bitcoin. At the beginning I was getting like 5 to 7 BTC per day, and it was decreasing with the difficulty going up. However, in few months I had accumulated about 190 BTC in my wallet, but the price was way too volatile to actually sell. It was moving between 2 and 12 United States dollars. Problem was my low salary at the time and the increased cost of my electricity bill due to the mining at home, so I basically went to a point where I was forced to sell some BTC. Not sure exactly how it went as it was a long time ago, but I remember that I left like 10 BTCs in my wallet and sold the rest. At some point the VGA mining for BTC was not a thing anymore, so I sold one of the VGAs and left the other one for my gaming machine. Later, in 2013, one morning I was already completely forgot about that stuff, and I saw that the price of BTC went up over $100 in a day or so, which was unexpected, so I rushed to sell whatever I had left. I made about $2,000 at the time with what I had and kept just a small amount of that for later. I was happy at this point. I made decent profit from the mining operation. Sometime later the price went even higher, so I sold the last of BTC I had on MTGOX, but couldn't get the last $500 because of the bankruptcy of the exchange. To this day I receive letters from the Japanese court as one of the creditors of MTGOX. Then I was introduced to the principle of HODL. Only if I wasn't that young and stupid back then.